Good morning. We are in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and we are getting ready to go out on a nice about 10-mile hike this morning through the Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. But first things first, we need to get some coffee. We're going to head to this local cafe / bookstore to grab some coffee and maybe a little something for breakfast before we head out on our hike. Bladder cover?
Yeah. We get the mattress in there too?
Oh, pushed it back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just getting started on the Mosquito Falls, Chapel Falls Loop Trail up here in Pictured Rocks. Should be about a 12-mile hike. It's super beautiful out here. Definitely are a little bit past peak colors just because there's a lot of leaves already on the ground, but it's still so beautiful. Lots of like yellows and oranges.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're...
We're about 4 miles into the hike so far. We can kind of see Lake Superior peeking through the woods. It's been a really pretty hike up to this point. It's kind of meandered through the woods and you can see all the fall colors, and there's also a lot of like mushrooms and stuff on the ground growing. So it's been cool to try to identify those, but we'll show you some more up here when we peek out to the lake.
What were you telling me about Lake Superior?
Oh, it's the biggest lake in the world. Biggest freshwater body. Biggest freshwater body.
Of water?
Biggest body of freshwater in the world.
There you go.
That's the tree.
What tree? Oh, Chapel Rock?
Oh, there's a boat right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll be able to see it. Uh-oh. Oh, it's probably like a tour.
Yeah.
Wow. That really is pretty. Holy crap. They say you can only find white sand beaches in the Caribbean.
Guys, this is beautiful. We got white sand beaches, crystal clear water, huge rocks.
Plan your next vacation, huh?
Fall time in the Caribbean.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
There's ladybugs all
Inside
over.
of you when I'm at my weakest point. Makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
The water at Miner's Castle Overlook was so blue and pretty, it legit looked like Caribbean. And then the wind picked up like really randomly. I got scared we were gonna blow up. Dude, that thing is huge. Still there. Okay, you can kind of see. That thing was huge.
Yeah, it was.
I can't believe how close we got for that long too. Like that he let us just stay by him.
Yeah.
He was like looking at us though. Never seen one that close before.
Yeah, it was massive. Oh, pretty through here.
We made it back.
We did make it back.
How you feeling?
I'm tired. My feet kill.
What did your what's the Garmin say? Distance?
I think it's at like 11.6 miles.
11.6.
870 feet of elevation gain, which really isn't that bad.
No. We did it.
We did do it.
Now what?
Now we're deciding if we want to drive back home 5 hours to Grand Rapids, or if we want to find a campsite around here.
I say we get pizza and go partial. Thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram
at so.we.go, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.